Hello guys, how are you all doing? So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira every single day selling ebooks. I will guide you through ebook creation process. In case you don't have any information you can package in form of an ebook. And at the end of this tutorial, I'll even share with you my simple formula for selling out ebooks. You don't just want to create ebooks and don't make sales. You want to learn how to make sales after creating that ebook. So I'll share with you my simple formula for selling out ebooks. So you want to make sure you stay to the end of this video so you don't miss out on that. So the art of selling ebooks is called information marketing, and this business model is really on the rise right now because people are actually seeking a lot of information today. So people want to learn how to lose belly fat, they want to learn how to make money from YouTube, they want to learn how to make graphic design. Like everybody is seeking for one information or the other. So that being said, it means you can make as much as 5,000 to 10,000 naira daily selling a piece of information packaged in form of an ebook. So guys, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. So do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any video like this. So let's get started guys. So if you have been looking for ways to make an extra income, you want to drop every form of distraction right now and pay attention to me. So let's start by talking about what an ebook is and how you can create one for yourself. So what is an ebook guys? What is an ebook? I know you all know what ebook are, but for the sake of formality, let me just tell you what an ebook is. So an ebook, also called an electronic book, is a book that is packaged in form of a digital format that is read on electronic devices such as iPhone, tablets, laptops, and even Androids. Do you understand? So they are usually more accessible, more convenient, and more portable. Like you can carry them around wherever you are going to. And that is why there's a surge in demand for ebooks today. The fact that it is convenient, accessible, and portable. So for you to create an ebook, there are some steps you need to take for you to create an ebook. So I'll start by telling you the first step and we'll go ahead and discuss it. So the very first steps to create an ebook is to decide what your ebook will be all about. You want to decide what your ebook will be all about. So what is that one topic or what is that one idea that you can talk about for hours non-stop? It could be anything as long as it is valuable, like as long as it is something that people wish to learn about. It could be something as simple as how to make cakes or how to prepare salad or even how to make flyers. So once you've come up with your idea, then you want to start putting your thoughts and comments together in a document. Start putting your thoughts together in a document. So after you must have gathered that, then you want to design your ebook and publish it ready for sales. So if you'd like me to teach you how to design ebooks on Canva, just comment ebooks on Canva below. Comment ebooks on Canva and I'll create a video on how to design ebooks on Canva. So if I get about 10 comments, so I'll make sure I put you guys through the process of creating a professional looking ebook. So when you're trying to create an ebook, just have it in mind that you have to create something that you are very familiar with. Just think of something that you are very familiar with. Think of a simple skill that you are aware of, something that you have done and you have hand-on experience about it and write about it. Then you can now put it out there for people to buy. So now for those of us that don't have any topic to write about or any information we feel we can gather or put together to write about, let me show you guys a simple method through which you can come up with an ebook and start selling to people. So I'll show you guys a simple website where you can access ebooks on any niche and repackage it and sell it and keep all the profits to yourself. That's exciting, right? Alright, cool. So just go to your Chrome browser and search for freeplrdownload.com. So once you search for this site, you can see the site right here. So this site is a private label right site. That's why it's called PLR. Okay. So on PLR sites, people actually write different books and upload it and give users access to download it for any purpose, including reselling. That is what PLR sites are for. So this is just one example. There are so many PLR sites out there. You can just do your own personal research if you feel you still need access to more. So basically, you have the right to resell any ebook you access on this site or even use the ebook for whatever purpose you wish. So this platform is going to be very useful for you if you don't have any topic you can write about and you wish to make money selling ebooks. So let me show you guys how to choose an ebook and use it for your own purpose. So right here, you will notice that there are a lot of niches. So if you check down here, you see that these are the niches we have on this site. We have the addiction niche, adoption niche, advertising niche, affiliate marketing niche. Can you see? So many of them. So let's assume you want to sell an ebook that talks about cooking. So you can see that we have the cooking niche here. So what you do right now is just click on cooking. So I just clicked on cooking and you can see the books we have right here that talks about cooking. There are just about 5 books here. So like I said, if you feel what you have here is not okay for you, you can look out for more PRL websites. So let's assume we want to make use of this last ebook, which says tips and techniques for cooking like a chef. So what you do now is you download this ebook by, let's open it. So I just open the ebook. So down here you will see where you can download it. Alright, you can see the download button right here. So just click on download and the ebook will appear right. Can you see it is downloading already? So let's just go and check what we downloaded. You can see right here, let's check our downloads, and this is the ebook. You can see it is in a zip format. So you want to first unzip it and then open it. So you can see that it has an e-cover. They already made an e-cover for you. They made a sales page for you. Then this is so it's not useful. So you can check these two things and see if there's something you can use in it. So but then this is the ebook itself. So let's open this ebook. So I just double tap it. So it is opening right now. Hope you guys are following what I'm doing. So this is how you get to come up with ebooks you can use for yourself. Peradventure you don't know what to create about. So I'll click on accept since I've not used this app before on this laptop. Alright, so the ebook has opened. So you can see the ebook right here. 101 techniques for cooking like a chef. Can you see? This is looking like a professional looking ebook. You can see the chapters: general cooking tips, sauce and seasoning, meat and poultry, barbecuing, fruit and this is a complete ebook on how to cook like a chef. Can you see? I can even just sell this like that without even editing it. Can you see? It has about several chapters. Hope you are seeing how good this information is. So once you've identified the niche you want to operate in, then you check on that niche and see if there's an ebook you can download right there to use for your own personal self, either to resell it. But then I will advise you guys to always try to repackage it and use your own personal tone to it, okay? So that it doesn't look like it's something other people are using also. You want to look identical. You want to stand out. Do you understand? You know, this information now, a lot of people will have access to it. So you want to add your own personal tone to it. But then before you choose any products, you can try to do some little research and find out what your audience are more interested in. You can create a poll on WhatsApp or Instagram where you have your most audience. This will help you choose the right products and start earning as soon as you get started. So you don't want to like choose a product based on your own instincts. Ensure that you are choosing something that your audience are interested in. That way you'll be able to make sales as soon as possible. So you can see we were able to download an ebook successfully, and that is how you go about downloading any other ebook. You can see that there are so many niches right here. So just check all the niches, which one align with your audience, and check for an ebook you can download and repackage it for your own personal use, either for selling or to use as a bonus. So I believe you are getting value from this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment if you are getting value from this video. So once you have downloaded your ebook, now you need a platform where you can sell that ebook. There are so many platforms out there that you can upload your ebook for free and sell, but the easiest one which I'll recommend to you guys is called Selar.co. Selar.co. This particular platform, you must have heard about it before, but then if you have not heard about it before, then this is a very good platform for you to look out for. Selar.co. You can see they say the best way to sell your digital products online. You know, ebook is an example of digital products. So this is one site I'll recommend to you if you want to start selling your digital product online and making money. Now, the good thing about Selar is that you can build a community of affiliate marketers that will help you promote your product on Selar, and it is a Nigerian platform. Do you understand? It is a Nigerian platform, so that's very good. Like, there's no currency barrier for you. You know, most of these international platforms, they don't accept Nigerians. So this is a Nigerian platform that accepts anybody across the world. Even if you're in Ghana, if you're in South Africa, this platform accepts anybody across the world. So for you to start selling on Seller, you need to create an account on this platform. So just click on start selling right here for you to create your account. So just check the link in the description on how to create your account on Seller. It will show you the step-by-step guide on how you can create your account on Seller, and even how to upload your ebooks on Seller. Do you understand? So in that video, I covered pricing, I covered how to set your currency, how to add your account details, and so much more. So go and watch that video right now so that you can learn how to create your account and upload your ebooks on Seller. So if I'm to cover all that right here, this video will be too long, so let's just skip that. So now, once you are done setting up your Seller account and you've uploaded your ebook, Seller will give you a unique link. Do you understand? Seller will give you a unique link that you can share with whoever is interested in buying your product. So something like this, let me show you guys what a unique link looks like. So on this particular account, I uploaded an ebook, and you can see that the ebook is right here as one product. So if I should click on one product, then the ebook will appear. So you can see it here. So this is where you get to copy your link. So just click on this three dots right here, and you can see we have view public link. So once you click on view public link, the link to that page will open up. So you can see this is the link right here. So you can just come over here and copy this link. So once you copy this link, you save it in your notepad and give it to whoever is interested in buying your product. So this particular product I uploaded on Seller is just like a testing. This is not like an actual product. So I just did some testing. Okay. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like when you upload your product on Seller and how you get to copy your own unique link. So with this alone, you can easily track your sales on Seller. You can track your progress. You can track how many sales you've made in a month, in a week, and evaluate your growth and set more goals for more sales. So now, another important thing you need to consider if you want to make sales on Seller is how to get traffic. You need to get traffic for your ebook. So without traffic, no one will know that you are selling an ebook, and obviously you don't make any money. So for you to get traffic, you can consider running Facebook ads. If you wish to get traffic easily, you can consider running Facebook ads. So you can just check the description on a video on how to run Facebook ads. That will help you set up your Facebook ad and start getting traffic for your ebook. But I said you can do this without spending a dime and still make money in the process. So you can start with free traffic by joining Facebook groups. Do you understand? You can join Facebook groups, you can join WhatsApp group where your target audience are located. You can share value around your products, or better still, you can talk about your product in those groups and share your product link with those that wants to buy your product. So after a couple of these, I'm very sure you'll make sales. As long as what you are selling is very valuable, I'm very sure you make sales. So now when you start making sales, when you've made a couple of sales, you can then shift your focus to running Facebook ads. Like you want to reinvest in your business. You've made money obviously, so you want to reinvest in your business. So this will help you scale up your growth and make more money easily when you start running Facebook ads. So guys, I guess you are getting value, guys. I guess you are getting value. Don't forget to drop a like below and subscribe to this channel so that the algorithm will show this video to more people. So guys, like I said, I was going to show you guys the secrets that will help you make more money and get more people to buy your products. Instead of you to be making 5k per day, with this series I'm about to reveal to you, you can even be making about 10 to 15,000 naira every day, like on a daily basis. So to achieve this kind of results, the secret I'll be telling you guys is that you want to come up with bonuses and add to your offer. So for example, let's assume you are selling a course on how to make graphics. You could give out a bonus on how to access Canva Pro for free. Canva Pro requires money, right? But if you tell your prospect that they will get it for free, trust me, it will make them hungry to want to buy your product. So guys, ensure you have bonuses you intend to give your audience alongside your main product. Also, you want to build a community of affiliate marketers. This is the second series I'm telling you guys. You want to build a community of affiliate marketers that can sell your ebook for you. That way, you'll be able to generate more sales with little or no effort. Like effortlessly, you'll be able to generate more sales. So if you like to learn how to add affiliate marketers, if you like to learn how to build a community of affiliate marketers that will help you promote your ebook, I already dropped a link in the description that will help you on that. So these are the two secrets that could help you scale up your sale, help you make like 10K to 15K every day. The first one, which I say, is ensure you add bonuses to your offer. And the second one is ensure you build a community of affiliate marketers that will help you sell your product. So just ensure you go to the description and check for the video on how to build a community of affiliate marketers and how to add affiliate marketers to your ebook on Selar. So I believe you got value from this video. We come to the end of this video, so ensure to give this a shot and let me know how it goes. I can't wait to see you make extra 5K to 10K daily using this business model. So if you got value, just do it to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment which parts got you excited the most. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.